Nestled within the rugged landscape of Ensenada, Mexico, Casa Uno by CLACLÁ Taller de Arquitectura is a 499 square meter residence that takes an unusually discreet approach to architecture. Rather than standing prominently on the site, the house is carefully embedded into the existing terrain, allowing much of its volume to disappear into the hillside. This strategy reduces the building's visual impact while improving thermal performance, creating a home that feels deeply connected to its surroundings. The architects describe this concept as an architecture of silence, where the landscape remains the protagonist and the house becomes an extension of the land itself. As visitors approach and enter the home, the experience is intentionally reminiscent of stepping into a cave. The transition from the exterior into the interior creates a strong sense of shelter and protection, evoking one of humanity's earliest forms of habitation. Rather than relying on dramatic gestures, the design uses the mass of the earth and carefully framed spaces to establish a calm, introspective atmosphere. The partially buried configuration not only strengthens this feeling of refuge, but also allows the architecture to blend naturally with the rocky terrain that surrounds it. The relationship between the house and the site extends beyond form, because embedding the building into the landscape inevitably disturbs the ground. The project incorporates a strategy to restore the native ecosystem. Existing vegetation was temporarily relocated and later reintroduced, while a passive water recycling system allows all water used within the house to be reused for irrigation. This thoughtful approach transforms environmental management into a key architectural element, helping the site gradually recover and reducing the long-term footprint of the intervention. Materiality plays a central role in expressing the character of Casa Uno. Pigmented concrete was chosen as the primary material, matching the earthy tones of the surrounding landscape and helping the structure visually merge with its environment. Wooden formwork was used to create smooth surfaces marked by subtle folds and textures, giving the walls an appearance similar to granite shaped by wind and time. Even the construction process reflects a commitment to resourcefulness, with materials being reused in different parts of the project. The result is a home that feels both contemporary and timeless, where architecture, landscape, and craftsmanship come together to create a quiet yet powerful living environment.